Join me to paint this fun and easy textured painting of holly leaves with berries using watercolor for a Christmas card. I drew a simple almond shaped leaf on a used watercolor paper. Then I cut that leaf out of the paper. Now let us turn this into a holly leaf shape in an easy way. Take any object that has a circular shape, but make sure it is a small one. Use it to draw the curves in the same way that I show here. After drawing the curves on both sides, I cut along those lines. This gives the holly leaf shape. After making the holly leaf shape, now fold it through the middle and press it gently so you get a crease at the middle. This crease becomes the middle vein of the leaf. Next, we have to print the leaf texture onto the paper. For that, first I place the pigment in different areas on the holly leaf shaped cutout. Then I turn it upside down and press the cutout gently onto the paper. After that, I lift it slowly without shaking it. This gives you a clean texture on the card when you print it. To paint that holly leaf cutout, I'm using Burton green, yellow ochre, burnt umber, and Payne's gray. I place these pigments in different areas on the cutout leaf and print it onto the paper. I'm using a cold press paper for both the cutout and for the card itself. If you use hot press paper, the texture will look very subtle. And if you use a rough paper, you will get a strong texture. Since we folded the paper earlier, you can see the center line shows up in a very natural way and it gives the leaf a nice detail without any extra effort. We have printed the holly leaves. Next step is to add the berries. I start drawing a small circle with vermilion hue. Then I place another berry next to it using the same vermilion hue. I use Payne's Gray for the shadow on each berry. For the first berry, I forgot to leave a highlight, but for the next ones, I leave a little white space so the berries looks natural. So again, I will explain it even more clearly that for berries, I draw a simple circle with a vermilion hue. Then I reduce the value on my brush by dipping it in water and gently pressing it on a waistcloth. Then I go over the circle with this reduced value and leave a little white space for the highlight. This creates a nice three-dimensional effect. And after that, I add shadow to deepen the form. After adding the berries, you can write a Christmas verse or a seasonal greeting on your card and give it to your loved ones. And tell me how much they liked it as well. Thank you for following this tutorial for painting a Christmas card. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.